Bosch dishwasher with an E25 code. I've got it turned off right now, and I pulled out, cleaned the drain trap, and that didn't take care of it, but I did find a small piece of glass in the drain trap once that was removed, and still had a little clunking noise in the motor right there. And by pulling that clamshell half apart the way you see it, it comes off. Then the motor pops out, has an O-ring, and there was another piece of glass inside, and going back together. Here we have the motor out completely. It actually has a little tab on the top right there, which allows you to depress and give it a small rotate that way for it to pop out. And of course, here's the other half that's going to go together. There's the two parts connected. As you can see, it's got a groove there. It's going to lock in and click when it goes into that part. And there's the connector. There's a completed unit. Pink wires go in the top clip. The 3-pin plug wires face out towards you. Now you can hear it making noise like it's supposed to be draining. I almost forgot to reconnect the hose there, and then the clip that holds the hose in. Don't forget that.